Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we got a 1994 Ford Bronco. It is a Eddie Bauer edition. It has a copper paint to it with a tan cloth Eddie Bauer interior. Car is in great condition, drives nice, starts good, feels good. Very, very nice condition. Check out the back side. Window opens nice and quick. Gate drops down. Nice and easy. Window goes back up. Close the wheel gate. Alright, let's check out the driver's seat, interior, cluster. Very nice condition. Alright, we'll go ahead and start her up, take her for a spin, check under the hood, and put her on the lift. Alright, gonna take it for a spin down the street. Windows all roll up well. AC blows ice cold, which we got going. Takes the bump nice down the street. Drives very nice and smooth. Very, very nice ride. Shifts well, accelerates well. Definitely an everyday cruiser. Alright, I'm gonna swing her around and go throw up on the lift. Alright, got her up here on the lift. See how nice and clean she is underneath. Very, very strong car. Very well taken care of. I mean, just so solid. Only 39,000 miles on it. You know, some of these come through with 250 plus, but this is in great, great shape. Strong, clean. Many more miles left on her. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. We can do a live FaceTime as well, walk you through anything that you might want to look into a little closer. As always, thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody's doing well.